How to save Snapchat pictures to gallery. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can save the Snapchat pictures to our gallery. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So if you want to save the Snapchat pictures to gallery, all you need to do is head over to Snapchat first. After that, go ahead and click on your profile in the top left corner and your profile page appears. From here, head over to settings and scroll down and go to the memory section. Look for this one right here, open it up, and from the save button, head over to the save button option, and then you can go ahead and select memories and camera roll if you want to save your photos to your camera roll, to your gallery. So all you need to do is go ahead and select this option, the second one or the third one also if you like, and that is it. So that is how you do it. That is how you save pictures on your gallery by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.